Hello and welcome to another in our series of short videos about finding information on signetdata.com. And this is information which is available to anybody, so whether you're a performance recorded breeder or whether you're a pedigree breeder looking for information about performance recorded sheep or a commercial producer looking for performance recorded sheep. In this session we're going to have a look at finding breeder information and finding breeders and flocks, and to do this we need to head to the sheep search section. We've got two options when it comes to looking for a breeder. We've got the flock finder, which is about finding your nearest flock in a selected breed. We've also got the breeder search, which is about finding a flock using their name or their flock name. So again, with the other searches, it's important to select a breed to help to narrow it down, and then we begin typing in within the name of the breeder. Select enter and it will bring you back that breeder's information and take you through to the breeder details. So what we have here is their address and also the flocks they own. From here we can go through and have a look at the latest EBVs for the animals within their flock, and we'll look at how we use this table and this search in our EBV search video later on, but this just gives you an idea of the information that you can draw back through clicking that information. The other way we can find breeders is we head to the flock finder. Again, we need to select a breed of interest. So if you want to have a look for Charolais in this instance, and then we enter you enter your postcode. So it's important to enter your full postcode, and once you've entered that, select search. Just run, and what this does is it ranks the breeders in order of how far away they are from your postcode. So as you can see here, it's ranked the breeders in order of distance, with the closest at the top, and then as we get further away. Again, we can click on the name and take us through to that page that we saw at the beginning of the video for the breeder information, or we can go through to the latest EBVs of that flock again, which we had a quick look at.